In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view a cumulative flow diagram in Jira. This is a fantastic tool within Jira Agile that allows you to visually track the flow of tasks through different stages in your workflow. Whether you're working with Scrum or Kanban, the cumulative flow diagram provides valuable insights into your project's dynamics. First, you'll need to open your Jira project. You can use either a Scrum or Kanban board. The process is the same for both. Once your project is open, navigate to the top menu and click on Reports. This menu is your gateway to a variety of analytical tools provided by Jira, designed to give you a comprehensive view of your project's progress. After clicking on Reports, you'll want to scroll down the list of report options and select Cumulative Flow Diagram under the Agile Reports section. This particular diagram will help you visualize how tasks are moving through different stages in your workflow. Now that you're inside the Cumulative Flow Diagram report, you have several options to tailor the view to your specific needs. Start by adjusting the date range. This is crucial because it allows you to see work trends over a period that suits your analysis needs, whether that's over the past few weeks or several months. By adjusting this time frame, you'll be able to discern patterns in how tasks are progressing, which can be critical for identifying bottlenecks or inefficiencies. Next, you'll want to focus on the column selection. This feature lets you choose specific workflow stages to include in your diagram. For instance, you might want to see the progress of tasks from to do to in progress, and finally to done. Choosing the right stages can give you a clear picture of where most of your tasks are at any given point and how long they stay in each stage. Lastly, make use of the quick filters such as Assign, Epic, or Sprint. These filters provide a deeper level of insight by allowing you to isolate data that pertains to specific team members, overarching goals, or particular time-boxed events. For example, filtering by Assign helps you understand individual workloads and performance, while filtering by Epic can show you how major features or projects are progressing as a whole. With these tools in hand, you can leverage the cumulative flow diagram to its fullest potential, offering a visual and data-driven way to monitor your project's lifecycle. By doing so, you'll not only have a better grasp of the current state of your project, but you'll also be well equipped to make informed decisions to enhance productivity and address any issues that arise. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to accessing and utilizing the cumulative flow diagram in Jira. Thank you for tuning in and happy project tracking.